hello YouTube, and welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I am so glad to have you here today, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm happy to see you back, and just make sure that you are still subscribed and that YouTube has not unsubscribed you. And if y'all like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I put new content out. So today is just a short Kroger haul. This will include my $5 pantry stock up challenge hosted by SassyGalPrepping. I'm so excited to be part of this challenge, and I've included my $5 stock up for the week in my Kroger haul. I've utilized those digital coupons and the buy 5 and save deals, so I managed to get a couple things to put back for my $5 pantry stock up challenge. So let's get into the kitchen and show you my little Kroger haul for the week. Okay, here is my mini Kroger haul for this week. I'll start over here. I got a bag of romaine, 2 ears of corn, and 2 bags of baby carrots for Mr. Bubba. So I've not tried romaine at Kroger yet, so it will be interesting to see if he actually eats it or not, because he's very picky about where he eats his produce from. So we'll see. I'll let you know if he likes Kroger produce or not. I got eggs, y'all. These were $8 for the large count eggs. Yeah, $8 for those. Who would have thought that we would see those eggs for $8? Oh my Lord. And then my deal for the week was this Tillamook sharp white cheddar cheese was free. This was their free coupon for this week. So guys, make sure that you check those freebie deals, because I didn't pay anything at all for this. So I did get 4 sodas. These were on sale on the if you bought 4 or more, they were cheaper, plus there was a digital coupon, so it made it like 4 for $12, which is a pretty good deal for soda. Now for my $5 pantry haul, I got a box of corn checks and 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, a bag of Oreos, because they were on the 5 for $5, and I got some extra sugar because I used what I had for my cranberry sauce, so I have more cranberry sauce to make yet, so I did get 2 more sugars. And this was my little Kroger haul. Was over $50 for just this little bit of stuff. So yep, the prices are going up. All right, so yes, that was not a very big haul for an awful lot of money. So prices are continuing to skyrocket. Keep working the sales, stack those coupons. I am still learning how to work the Kroger buy 5 and save sales, because sometimes you can stack those sales along with um, digital coupons and extra fuel points. So I am learning how to work all of that stuff out for the best deals possible. And right now, Kroger is having a special coupon you can clip if you get a Visa gift card. If you spend so much on a Visa gift card, you get 4 times the fuel points. So if you have a place by you where you can get gas using your Kroger Plus card, look into possibly taking your gas budget and getting a Visa gift card with your gas budget money, and then use your Visa gift card to pay for your gas along with the extra fuel points. You get so much off per gallon on your gas. So learn how to stack those specials up and those coupons and the buy 5 or more and save deals, and save what you can where you can. Who would have thought that we would be paying over $5 for a dozen eggs? At Publix, eggs are almost $6 for a dozen of small eggs. It is just absolutely crazy. Oh, sorry about the noise. I have uh lawnmowers outside going by. So, but butter is horribly expensive. Last time I went to my Aldi here, there was no eggs and no butter at all. So, um, yeah, just stack up what you can where you can. Y'all stay safe this week. I know there's a couple major storm systems moving across the country. Temperatures here in Florida are dipping down into the 30s and 40s, which I know doesn't sound that bad, but that's pretty cold for us here for this time of the year. Our houses are not normally insulated for this type of cold, and especially living in the central part of the state, we get the ocean air current from both sides of the state coming across. So we can get pretty cold air coming through. So our temperatures are supposed to drop this week as well. So everyone stays safe. On the other hand, it's going to make for a really good strawberry season this year, because the strawberries do like the cooler weather. So I'm actually pretty excited for strawberry season coming up. So it's got its good sides and its bad sides. So we'll see what happens, because usually right now it's close enough that they may have to run the sprinklers and freeze the strawberry fields if the temperatures drop enough, which actually interferes with the water pressure and how our water flow works. So we'll play this week by ear and see what happens. So everyone stay safe. Let me know in the comments down below what your egg prices are and if you noticed any issues. And also, one thing I've noticed here, we're having issues with bread is low and almost out, except for the expensive specialty breads, but regular sliced bread is very low or out of stock. And tomato juice has been out for months. Even margarita mixes, which I like to use when I make soup, is non-existent. So let me know if you are seeing shortages of those products in your areas down below in the comments. Leave your prayer requests down below. I love the way that our community supports each other. So leave those prayer requests down below. And I hope y'all are having a great holiday. We are not that far off from Christmas. I think like 2.5 weeks maybe. So I hope y'all are having a great holiday and enjoying what you normally do for the holidays. And I hope to see you all on the next video. Bye.